Samsung users have been waiting for this moment, and now it finally looks like the wait might be coming to an end. The One UI 8.5 update, which has been in beta testing for quite some time, could be just days away from its official stable release for the Galaxy S25 series. According to recent rumors, Samsung is preparing to roll out the stable version of One UI 8.5 as early as May 9. This information comes from a tipster who shared what appears to be a software roadmap, specifically for users in Canada. While this is not officially confirmed by Samsung yet, it does give us a strong hint that the update is very close. If this timeline turns out to be true, the update will first arrive on all 4 Galaxy S25 models. Interestingly, the Galaxy S25 Edge, which never received access to the beta program, is also listed in the rollout schedule. This suggests Samsung is planning a wider release right from the start, instead of limiting it only to beta testers. But the Galaxy S25 lineup isn't the only one in line. The same roadmap also includes foldable devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. That means Samsung is aiming to bring One UI 8.5 across both its flagship and foldable categories at nearly the same time, which is a pretty big move. Now, what about older devices? Well, there's some good news there too. The Galaxy S24 series is also expected to receive the update shortly after the S25 rollout. A Samsung community moderator hinted that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will get One UI 8.5 soon after the S25 series. Even though only the Ultra model was mentioned, it's very likely that the entire Galaxy S24 lineup will receive the update together, along with other 2024 Galaxy devices. However, it's important to stay realistic here. None of these dates have been officially confirmed by Samsung. We've already seen earlier rumored release windows come and go without any update. So while May 9 sounds promising, it's still best to treat it as a possibility rather than a guarantee. Another thing to keep in mind is that these dates are specifically tied to the Canadian market. Software rollouts usually happen in phases, which means users in different countries might receive the update earlier or later depending on region, carrier, and device model. So even if the update starts rolling out on May 9, not everyone will get it on the same day. That said, the fact that multiple beta versions have already been released is a strong sign that Samsung is in the final stages of testing. Typically, once a beta program reaches this level of maturity, the stable version isn't far behind. Now let's talk about what makes One UI 8.5 worth the wait. This update is expected to bring several improvements, especially in terms of AI features, privacy, and overall design. Samsung has been focusing heavily on smarter software, and this update continues that trend. One of the most talked about features is improved file sharing. There are strong hints that Samsung is enhancing QuickShare to support functionality similar to AirDrop. If this works as expected, it could make sharing files between devices faster and much more seamless, especially within the Galaxy ecosystem. In addition to that, users can expect better privacy controls and a cleaner, more refined user interface. These might not sound like huge changes at first, but they can make a big difference in everyday use. Small improvements in speed, layout, and usability often have the biggest impact over time. Of course, some users are still cautious. Samsung's history with delayed updates, especially with earlier versions like One UI 7, has made people a bit skeptical. And honestly, that's fair. Delays have happened before and they could happen again. But overall, things are looking positive this time. Beta phase is nearly complete, the leaks are becoming more consistent, and all signs point toward an imminent release. So if you're using a Galaxy S25 or even a Galaxy S24 device, now might be a good time to start checking for updates regularly. The next few days could finally bring the stable One UI 8.5 experience to your phone.